Hello, let me introduce you to my Audi 80 project. As you can see, it's quite stock. The only modifications that are being done are some other wheels from the Coupe Cabriolet and a V6 front bumper. It is equipped with a 5-cylinder engine, which is also stock. The only thing I've done to the interior is mounted a Momo steering wheel, and it also needs some minor work on the inside, especially on the headliner. This video is a small introduction of the car, which I'm gonna build in competition style. It will also be lowered and have some other wheels, but that you will see in the other part of this project. This is just a small introduction. Like I said, I already had a V6 bumper mounted. Originally when I bought the car it was already fitted with a Coupe Cabriolet bumper, but I really like the V6 one, so I bought one with some minor damage on it, which as you can see I repaired it, and then I've painted it in the same color as the car, of course. Turned out pretty nice for a DIY job. All the things I've painted are done with a spray can and finished with Spray Max 2K clear coat. Yeah, it looks decent and the color match with the rest of the body is pretty close. You can't spot color shifts or anything, so I'm really happy with the end result. What I also did was the Momo steering wheel, which was really a fun little project to do. The steering wheel itself was new old stock. It's made by Momo, but in cooperation with D&W. D&W is a German tuner magazine back in the 80s, 90s and zeros. To fix the horn, I ordered a scooter horn from AliExpress. As you can see, here I unpacked the package, and the scooter horn itself will fit into the pad on the steering wheel. To fit it in correctly, yeah, you have to do some minor adjustments. But yeah, then it fits like a glove. So here they are mounted on the left and on the right side, and here I'm gonna test them. So that's fixed. Change the steering wheel and see if the horn works, and yes, it works perfect. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it and enjoy it. See you hopefully in part 2.